Hi, I'm Charlotte at See Naturally. I'm a natural eyesight improvement teacher and I've been helping people to improve the clarity, comfort and quality of their vision since 2004. So today I'm going to show you a few very simple but effective vision techniques for improving the eyesight up close and actually also in the distance, because when we improve our eyesight up close, it helps us to see better in the distance. When we improve our eyesight in the distance, it helps us to see up close, because it's all about releasing strain from the visual system. So simple. So simple. But first off, I'm going to tell you a little bit about some workshops that I've got coming up, some exciting workshops. First of all, the first one is called Relaxing Strain from Tired, Blurry Eyes. I'm sure there are a lot of you out there who like to release strain from tired, blurry eyes. It's a 3-hour workshop. It's going to be on Saturday, 29th of April in Marlow in the morning, and also on Zoom on Saturday, 6th of May. And the second one is on screen use, also really useful for most of us. And it's how to avoid strain and maintain good vision while using screens. You might think that's completely impossible. It's not. There are ways that we can really minimize the amount of damage that screens do to our eyes. And you know what? We can go home and tell our family and friends about it, which is brilliant. Really simple but very effective tips. They're pro tips that most people don't know about. And that's going to be in Marlow on Saturday, 10th of June, in the Tame Barnes Centre on Saturday, 4th of June, and on Zoom on Saturday, 17th of June. So I really hope that you can join me for these. For either workshop or both workshop, please go onto my website and contact me. Have a look. There's also a package, so if you book several of the workshops at once, you'll get a reduction. There's also a fantastic fast track 12 lesson package which you could buy at the moment, which is a brilliant value. So just get in touch if you're interested. I want to hear from you. And now your vision tip. So what I want you to do is get some object that you really like. It could even be a leaf when you're walking, a leaf on a tree when you're outside, or something like this, a pine cone, or something fun. It could be something like this. And I want you just to relax, to blink, breathe, hold it up at a distance where it's slightly blurry or very blurry, it might be for some of you. And then you just open up your side vision a little bit like this. We've talked about side vision before. You'll find that on my 10 free video tips course, 10 free vision improvement lessons course on YouTube. So you just open up your side vision, relax the shoulders, relax the body and breathe. Maybe smile, because that releases endorphins into the body, as you'll find out in laughter yoga, which I also teach. And then you look at it gently. You might touch a few bits of it and just notice what you touch, what you sense. Your hands might be out there. It might be so far away that you have to just look at it. And maybe you could go up close and touch it with your blinking, relaxing the side vision. And then you go back to where it feels more comfortable, or you might have to come up really close to see it. Whatever you do, use your hands, use your fingers. Sense of smell, all of these things help us to see. And then maybe notice just one bit of it and see if you can see that bit more clearly than all the rest. Perhaps all the rest will be less clear than the little point you're looking at. So it could be this one as well. Just looking at one bit, can you see that little point, that little aspect of it, little detail, more clearly than the rest? Or I should say that you see the rest less clearly than what you're looking at. So try that out and let me know what you think, or if it helps you. And remember, blinking, relaxing, opening up your side vision and breathing, maybe smiling and trying a few mini palms as well. They're very relaxing for the eyes. And do this when you're feeling relaxed and there's good light. All of these things will help your vision. It's a good practice to do, even if you don't notice any change at first, which, it's unlikely you'll notice the first time. Keep going with that. You might notice some improvement later after a while. Okay, it's been lovely talking to you. Hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing as many of you as possible at my workshops. There's also a well-being fair soon in Thames, so you could come along to that. Okay, look at my website, See Naturally. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.